Today we're there with
Mr. White.
Mr. White. What you think about Movado and Kartel link up?
Yeah, I know nothing strange. It's a good link up. I must say Mavado and Kartel clash so much here, you know, have dancehall for themselves, the two of them, you know. And then regroup and come together. Going on the biggest media with the Prime Minister and the Minister them to sort out things and then come back on foot till in there West Kingston, down at Tivoli there. Mavado call up Kartel on stage. I know nothing strange. Me a world to everybody I say, oh, Mavado and Kartel a friend and Mavado and Kartel a friend long time.
That me say too.
A style the man them a use and just know say, yo, man them want to run dancehall. But people don't understand, enough of them don't understand. Kartel put Mavado a lead and Mavado put Kartel a lead. And that them answer. Just like Bounty Killer and Beenie Man. Come tell us something. Beenie Man is my number one artist, you know, from day one, you know. And Beenie Man is my king from day one. But right now, Kartel gone surpass everybody, brother. They want to just give me Kartel do unbelievable right now. And everybody attack that. Kartel is one of the best artists right now in Jamaica. A man come back and lift dancehall. A man come back and lift party. A man come back and lift everything. And me tell them long time same time Kartel come from jail, all of them little chopper arts, all of them scammer arts, all of them are going to last. Because they don't have flow and style like Kartel. Kartel is the best artist in the whole world, man. I king up the dancehall right now.